Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to translate text in ChatGPT better than Google Translator. So in short, in this tutorial, we're going to compare the translation from ChatGPT and from Google Translate and other sites. So let's just say I'm going to translate this short paragraph, my home. Actually, you can translate anything you want. This is just a tutorial and example. So I'm going to paste it here, but I have to type first, translate this into, let's just say Russian. Okay, so paste it here and then tap enter or this green arrow. And then you can see here the result of the translation. Now, you could also do this to Google Translate. Okay, detect a language English and then translate it into Russian and then paste it here. Now, if you are a Russian, you would probably know which one did it better, ChatGPT or Google Translate. But of course, I cannot say which one is better because I cannot understand the words. So maybe let's try another language. So how about we want to translate this into Spanish? First, let's try to go to the site Spanish Learning Made Easy. We need the translation of the site. Okay, so go back to ChatGPT, but you have to copy this one first, like a few words only, copy, and then go back to ChatGPT and then type, translate this into Spanish, type the words here or paste the words here, and then click enter. Okay, so after that, you can see the result or the words translated into Spanish. Now, this is the result or this is the output. Now, what we're going to do is to do this again and then go to Google Translate. Okay, so you just have to go to Google Translate and then paste this English and then change it into Spanish. Click this one. And this is the result. This is the translated version of Google Translate. Now, what are we going to do is to go to the Spanish dictionary, go to translation, and this time we're going to twist like it should be Spanish to English. And let's see the difference. So first, I'm going to copy this translated version of ChatGPT. Copy this one. Go to Spanish, Spanish to English translation, and then here is the result of the translation from Spanish to English. Okay. Okay. If you notice, this one is very similar with the one that is here, with the original text or sentences. Now let's go to Google Translate. Let's copy the translation or the version of Google Translate and then paste it here again. Okay, so go to Google Translate, copy this one, go back to Spanish translation, paste it here, and let's see if the translation or Spanish translation is very similar to original text or sentence. So as you can see here, it's quite similar, but somehow there are words that are that similar with our original text as compared to ChatGPT. So with this result, you can see that ChatGPT has a more accurate translation than Google Translator. You can do this all over again to see the difference between ChatGPT's translation and other sites' translation. So that's it. That's how easy it is to compare the translation of ChatGPT and Google Translator. So that's it. That's how easy it is to use ChatGPT to write code. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.